All right, so we've talked to you before ad nauseum about our suspension packages that we have. And we've actually laid out the different good, better, and best suspension shocks that we offer with our Stock Plus Goat Mod and 4-inch systems. Well, I have an even better one here. This is a new one that came to our table here. We're working with a company called Flare Space to bring these in from Spain. And this is by far the best riding suspension I have ever tested on a G-Wagon. I'm gonna open it up for you. I haven't rehearsed this, so we're gonna see how they package it. But it comes in this awesome full metal case that is, you have to do a full-on Romanian deadlift to pick it up. So always lift with your back in a jerking, twisting motion. That's the theme here. So once you get past import fees and custom duties and all that good stuff, you get presented with this black case that is full of mythical and magical stuff. Now, first and foremost, you have this foam packaging. We have our reservoir mounts, and we know we're getting into something significant when our reservoir mounts have rubber dampers inside of here. Oh my gosh. So I've driven trucks with these on it. You may harken back to one of our videos where we had the G280, the coolest G-Wagon you may have never known about. It had this suspension package on it. But look at this stuff. It is rubber isolated dampers for the reservoirs on the dampers. It's all anodized aluminum, cool stuff. Anyway, you know you're getting quality products there. Okay, let's see what else we got here. We have shock absorber number 1. Neat. And we have shock absorber number, more stuff. There we go. So, comes wrapped up. It is fairly substantial, not for the faint of heart. So let's get this out of here. Now, for those of you wondering, these are actually designated for a very, very special project. I have a couple of these on hand right now, and they will be going on our IFAB trucks. Now, you may recall one of our last videos where we drove the tan IFAB, saying that it is for sale. Well, it's been sold, and that truck is getting a full-on 4-inch lift with these shocks. These are actually not for this truck. These are made for the 2-inch lift. Yeah, screw it. I get a little impatient sometimes. Anyway, these are the setup for the 2-inch lift truck, but we have another set on the way that's meant for the 4-inch lift truck. Now, the key thing that you're going to notice on these is the lack of adjusters right off the bat. And some people say, well, where's my adjusters? What if I want to change it? But let's be real, folks. How many of us are suspension experts and know how to accurately adjust our suspension? Zero. Unless you're in the industry or come from a motorsports background or know the intricate details of your shocks and how to properly valve them and change the shims around. That's why they only put one adjuster on to make it softer or stiffer. It's good for 90% of us, but for those of us that want that final 10% of perfection, here's what this looks like. So we have a fully anodized aluminum body. It is based off the Bilstein 8100 series shock absorber, and it's one of the nicest ones on the market. It's modified from there. We have bigger hoses. The internal stack has changed. Also, the reservoir has a cooling fin on it as well, and it has digressive valving on all this as well. The nitrogen pressures are customized and all that. But the key thing is the valving is optimized for both high and low speed damping. So for those of you not quite sure what that means, so we're not referring to vehicle speed, we're referring to shaft speed. So high speed damping. That is what happens when you're cruising along and you roll up on a curb, a square curb, and that shaft has to move really fast, has to move a lot of distance really fast in order to absorb that bump without spilling your coffee. We valve this accordingly based on what vehicle it is, what motor it has in it, how much it weighs, its weight distribution front to rear, its lift, its use case, how much accessories, the overall speed that it's going to be traveling, everything. We take everything into account. We set that so that it can absorb those bumps easily and not transmit all that shock into the rest of the vehicle. Also, low speed damping, which is what you feel when you're going through your dips and your G-outs on the freeway. Let's say you're going skiing and going up I-70 and you got all these weird undulations in the road where, you know, some cars will bottom out. That's low speed damping because the shaft is not actually moving all that fast. Even though the vehicle's moving fast, the shaft is not. So we set that so that it won't bottom out. It's almost progressive. So this has what they call digressive damping that changes based on position and speed of the shaft to optimize both worlds. Because we do that, we can get you to like 99% accuracy of where the truck needs to be. So it's going to have great bump absorption, it's going to have great bottom out absorption, and it's going to handle good because it's not going to be swaying side to side as it's trying to hold itself together. So this is physically a larger unit. It has massive reservoirs. It has the ability to keep everything cool. You can run this for hours and hours and hours without fail. And fun fact, this is the same stuff that they put on trucks that are running the Dakar Classic for both Land Rover, for G-Wagon and Grenadier. This is really sweet stuff. So we're going to start offering this on our website and as suspension packages, both for the Goat Mod and for the 4-inch. And that's where these things are really going to shine. It is a substantial upgrade when it comes to the overall performance of G-Wagon, but it also is a substantial uptick in cost. It's a lot of Slim Jims. So if it's something you're interested in, this is where you should definitely get in touch with us, because if you want to build the ultimate suspension package for your G-Wagon, I mean the ultimate, like we're not holding anything back here. This is where we want to be. We can put this together, we can curate it, but we need to talk to you first to understand if we're going to have a beach cruiser, a full-on rock crawler, or if we're going to have a high-speed desert runner that's going to be traveling Dakar type of stuff. We can set each one of these up specifically for your use case so you can get the most out of it the first time. Oh, and the other cool thing is these things are fully serviceable. Let's say you're somewhere and they start leaking, or you puncture a hose or something goofy. It's easy. You can go to any suspension shop, even most mountain bike or motocross suspension tuners will be able to service these because it uses a lot of the same parts. So that part is also handy. You buy it once and that's it. Okay, so the ideal person for this is going to be the person that wants the perfect suspension setup. They don't want to have to mess around with tuning it, turning clickers, or getting dirty. They want something that they know is going to work, is valved properly for their rig based on speed, use case, weight, etc. And it's going to be reliable. That's the number one thing. Now, with that, we also have our different suspension packages that we've talked about in the past, where we have our Stock Plus, our Goat Mod, our 4-inch. Those are all height variances. But with that, we also have different shock absorbers, ranging from the Coney Raids to the Fox 2.0s to the Kings. It's kind of like a good, better, best scenario. This is one of those things that became recently available to us. We had to jump on it because, let's face it, no one else is serving the G-Wagon community, and we want to be the first to market with good quality products. Again, I've vetted these, I've tested them, I know they work exceptionally well. So this falls in line as the top tier item. This is above the King 2.5-inch remote reservoir shocks. This is definitely above the Fox 2.0s, and this is definitely above the Coney Raids. This is the top dog. This is the be-all, end-all. This is the #1 suspension shock absorber for your Goat Mod or your 4-inch lift system. Joe Gocher, nothing but G's. We got more cool stuff coming your way as we get these trucks built utilizing this cool suspension, and we'll let you know how it works out at the end. Nothing but G's. Talk to you soon.